and Golden Hana. Gates open. They're up and racing. Meadowlad draws for your lead. Treasure Hunter is in second, moving up like his way. Then comes King Patrick, followed by Good Humor, Golden Hana, second last. And trailing the group is Has Magic. About to pass the last 800. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Now we have Like His Way takes the lead over Meadowlad in second. Treasure Hunter is down in third. King Patrick, Golden Hana joining in. Then comes Good Humor and a long way back to Has Magic as they round the last 500. Now we have Like His Way in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Fighting back once again on the outside, Meadowlad. Then comes number 4, Treasure Hunter and Golden Hana. Now moving up on the outside, Like His Way, Golden Hana driving in and now catching the lead. Meadowlad running in third, then comes Treasure Hunter, Bilateral, Good Humor, King Patrick. With the last 100 meters more to run, Golden Hana, this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Golden Hana, King Patrick, Meadowlad, Treasure Hunter, Like His Way, Good Humor, and Has Magic comes in last all the way.